Hey guys, and welcome back. So today we have these Pure Sound wireless headphones that offers 40 hours of playtime as well as a dual microphone. Alright, so here's the Pure Sound wireless headset that offers dual microphones, the advanced Bluetooth 5.0 chipset, which chipset provides faster, suitable, and efficient wireless connection up to 50 feet or 15 meter and away from the connection devices, so 40 hours of working time. So right here it says noise reduction, stereo sound, 40-hour playback, foldable design, dual microphone, and easy over the ear. So let's get on into this box. This is the P80C. So this does have a foldable design, so it's easy to carry with you on the go. It has a soft memory protection earmuffs, so your ears won't get smashed. So included in this, you get a travel bag. It's a really nice travel bag. It's really soft. It has a drip string. Okay, then now you have your owner's manual. Also included in this, you have the detachable pole microphone, a USB charging connector, a 3.5 millimeter audio cable. So this is your charger. This is your standard Android charger. This is not the Type-C. And right here is your 3.5 millimeter audio cable. And this is your detachable pole microphone. So you'll just attach this into the headset itself. And then right here at the bottom you can see the microphone. And on the other side you would just connect that into your headphones. So in this bag you also get your user manual. This basically tells you how to set it up, how to charge. See the user guide for the Bluetooth information, how to pair, package contents, power on and off, charging. Here's the diagram of all the buttons. You got pairing information. And on the other side you've got AUX. You've got reset button. So now let's go and make our way to the headphones themselves. So as you can see right here, they are foldable. This does come with a wireless Bluetooth dongle. So if your computer or device does not have Bluetooth, this will allow your headphones to connect to your device that does not have Bluetooth. So it's your standard USB port. And right here we have the functions of the plus or minus to turn up the volume up and down. You also got backwards, forwards, the power button. So you can really feel the comfort and easy control of the Bluetooth headsets that's designed with maximum comfort. It does have memory foam ear pads that create a soft seal over the ears to block out background noise. And it makes the headset pleasant to wear for long hour stunts without feeling any burden to your head or ears. So right here is the charging port. That is your 3.5 millimeter port, and then you've got your microphone port right here. So this is a multi-purpose wide compatibility headphones compatible with any Bluetooth enabled device easily, like any smartphones, cell phones, tablets, and also support of any software like Zoom and WhatsApp. So right now we're just going to go ahead and install the microphone. It's as easy as just pushing it in. And it is flexible, so you can flex it any way, up, down, back, forth. So this is good if you're actually using WhatsApp, Zoom, Skype, Skype for Business, FaceTime, any software that uses microphone. This is a great option to check out. And like I said before, this offers the Bluetooth 5.0 chipset, also a 6.0 noise reduction. The technology provides fast, efficient, and stable signal through low latency. You can walk around your house with the headphones, moving up to 50 feet or 15 meter away from the actual connected device. So these are adjustable headsets, so you can adjust it from the left and the right side. So this right here has an R for the right side, and on the other side has an L for the left side. So they look really nice. So right there you see the left L for the left side, and it's adjustable. Straps go up and down to give you more room for your head. And at the top of the headphones, they're just like the actual earpiece. They are memory foam. So if therefore you won't have just a comfortable on your ears, it's also comfortable on your head. You can see right there, it's memory foam. Makes it nice and soft, so if you're a long-time gamer or use this for extended hours, this won't give you a headache. And they do adjust to the lowest setting to the highest setting. I've used these. These are pretty loud. It comes with everything that you need. Even if you have a device that doesn't have Bluetooth, they offer the dongle inside this package, as well as your 3.5mm jack. You've got your charger. You've got your little carry case. I would definitely check this one out. This one's a really nice headset, especially if you're using Skype or business Skype or any kind of messaging service. Definitely check this set out.